Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First, this is our PDF file. So in order to convert this PDF file to Excel, click on Data. Click on Get Data. Then go to From File and click on From PDF. Now let's open our PDF file. Now once this window open, click on Table. I want to insert this table to Excel, then click on Load. Now, as you can see, we change our PDF file to Excel successfully. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.